Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to redeem Wish coupon code. There are two ways to redeem a Wish coupon code. The one way is through your shopping cart and the other way is through your profile setting. I'm gonna show it to you how you can do it from your profile itself. First of all, open the Wish application from your app drawer. Also make sure to sign into your Wish account. After you are in the main home page, from the main home page tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. From the menu option, scroll down and tap on Apply Promo. Enter the coupon code or the promo code in the text box appearing on the next page. And finally click on Apply. Once you do that, the pre-applied code will automatically be used at checkout for your next Wish purchase. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.